welcome to English Made Easy. In today's lesson, we are going to deep dive when to use the be verbs is, are in the English language. Be verbs or helping verbs are special verbs that connect the subject of a sentence to additional details about the subject. They don't show action. Instead, they establish a relationship or state of being. In the English grammar rule, we have one generic and basic rule that the subject must agree with the verb. So, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. When are we going to use the be verbs is, are? Let's take note that when we say singular, it means single or one. For example, cat, dog. And when we say plural, it means two or more. For example, cats, dogs. In creating a sentence, there is one basic structure, which it should have a subject and a predicate. Subject is the doer of the action, while the predicate is the action. For example, Alan is sleeping. Alan is the subject and the predicate is sleeping. Let's start with the verb is. We use the verb is if there's only one or singular subject in a sentence. And we use the verb are if there's two or more subject or plural subject in a sentence. For example, Alan blank asleep. What verb are we going to use? Is or are? Correct! Let's identify first our subject. Alan is our subject, and Alan is only one, which means singular. So if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular, which is. Alan is asleep. Another example. Alan and Jacob blank playing. What verb are we going to use? Is or are? Correct! We are going to use the verb are since there are two subjects, Alan and Jacob. Remember that if there's two or more subject, we are going to use a plural verb. Okay, let's have a fun activity. Let's use what you have learned during our lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. June and Amy blank at home now. Good job! June and Amy are at home now. My black pen blank on the floor. Good job! My black pen is on the floor. John blank honest person. Great job! John is an honest person. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed our topic. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips and language lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving. Happy grammaring! English Made Easy also prepared a questionnaire to test if you understood our lesson today. You can check it out in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And for you to be updated on our latest videos, click the notification bell down below.